Hey everyone, today's day 29 of the Shofar Show Good Challenge. Tomorrow night is Rosh Hashanah, so we made it almost. Today I'm thinking about tikun olam, that means repairing the world, as well as sustainability, leaving the world a better place than how we inherited it. And the two go hand in hand, because when we think about sustainability, we have to think about the resources that we're consuming, the way that we're using them. Are we using things excessively? Are we using things in a way that they're not going to be renewable? Are we wasteful? Are we mindful of our practices? And so too in Tikun Olam, are we creating a society, are we creating a community that is bettering ourselves and bettering the world around us? And I think it's really important to take these two principles into the new year because we have an opportunity to do better. We have an opportunity to unite. We have an opportunity to make good and make things right in the world. So with that, I'd like you to think about Tikkun Olam and sustainability. I've got the shmal shofar. Hopefully I'll get at least one sound out of it because it's really hard. Have a great day.